Here's a DIY project. They just made this kind of wallpaper in the back. Nice. But what a waste of time. Hobbies, DIY projects just eat up your time and your money and tools. They would have been better off trying to figure out what stock to buy, what stock to sell, than doing these DIY, do-it-yourself projects. And then at the end of the project, they tell you, you've heard this before, they tell you how much money they saved by doing this themselves. I don't care how much money you save. What's important is how much money you make. You cannot save your way into being a millionaire. It can't be done. There's only so much money you can save. So don't tell me about how much money you saved with your DIY project. You want to impress me? Tell me how much money you made.